Welcome to the Millennial Capital YouTube channel.
Hey everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm doing a product review of a water pressure cleaning gun that I recently purchased from a Facebook Marketplace seller. If you're considering buying one of these, you might want to watch this video first to avoid the same mistakes I made. Let's dive in. Alright, here we have the box. Let's open it up and see what's inside. First, we have the main unit, the water pressure cleaning gun itself. It looks quite sturdy and promising at first glance. Next, we have the battery. This is crucial because it's what powers the entire device. Let's fix the battery to the water gun. It fits in quite snugly. Here's the water hose. It's supposed to be durable and long enough for various cleaning tasks. We've got two water nozzles, one for a concentrated spray and the other for a wider spray. It's a standard charger, nothing too fancy. And here's the water filter. This should help prevent any debris from clogging the gun. Now, let's put everything together. Fix the battery, attach the hose, connect the water filter, and choose a nozzle. Alright, it's all set up. Let's see how it performs. There's also a liquid bottle for detergent or soap. This is useful for tougher cleaning jobs.
Itu punya. Mana itu punya? Kalau rekona, bukan white itu punya.
As you can see, it's working, but there's water leaking everywhere. After just a few minutes, it completely stops working. Not good. The product and the seller was kind enough to send me a new one. Unfortunately, the replacement had the same issues. It worked for a few minutes and then stopped due to leaking water. In the end, I decided to return the product for a refund, which the seller did process promptly. So, what's the takeaway here? While it might be tempting to buy cheaper cleaning guns from places like Facebook Marketplace, they often don't perform as expected and can lead to frustration and wasted time. I recommend investing a bit more money in a higher quality product from a reputable brand. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more honest reviews. See you in the next one.